Royal Enfield Classic 350 with rear disc brakes on Reddish edition. Royal Enfield is now offering their Classic 350 Reddish Red with a rear disc brake. The Reddish Red Classic 350 with the rear disc now cost Rs 1.47 lakh ex-showroom in Delhi. Royal Enfield until now offer rear disc brake only on the gunmetal grey model in the Classic 350 lineup. However, the company still has not introduced the ABS on any of its motorcycle in India. The Indian government has made it mandatory for two-wheeler manufacturers to add ABS by April 2019. Hence, we might see Royal Enfield introduce the anti-lock braking system sometimes in the future. The company, apart from the addition of the rear disc, has also changed the rear swing arm of the motorcycle. This is to make space for the addition of the rear disc. The rear wheel now uses a 240 mm disc at the back. The front wheel, however, get the standard 280 mm disc. The addition of the rear disc has increased the price of Reddish Classic 350 model by Rs 8,000. This is a small increase in price for the improved braking performance the motorcycle now offers. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 range is one of the best-selling motorcycles for the company. The motorcycle is powered by a 346cc engine, producing 19.8 bhp and 28 Nm of torque. The engine is further mated to a 5-speed manual gearbox. Thoughts on the Royal Enfield Classic model. The Royal Enfield offered the Classic 350 in a number of variants. Recently, Royal Enfield started offering ABS on international versions of their Classic 350. The models sold in Europe and USA all have ABS as standard. We hope to see the Indian version of the model with ABS soon as well.